Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. This video tutorial is on our Bo Kata, Bo Kumitachi. We'll be working with the first section of this pattern, naming each skill as we go. Now, Bo Kumitachi comes in two halves. There is an attacker's half, there is a defender's half. So we'll be working with the first section of each of those in our tutorial here. Now we're going to start we're going to come to Chudan no Kamae here, middle guard position. Then I'm going to step my left foot back and shift into Hidari no Kamae here, the right forward fighting stance. Now, the attacker section, we start off by taking a shuffle step forward, bring the bow up over your right shoulder a little bit, down and through Ucho Tosh, overhead strike. Then stepping forward, Uchage, upward strike, Ucho Tosh, overhead strike. That's the first section of the attack. Let's go through this again. And I'm coming forward, but I've still got my right foot out in front, Ucho Tosh. Stepping through with my left foot, Uchage, stepping through with my right foot, Ucho Tosh. Let's try that together one more time. Again, from Hidari no Kamae, stepping forward, Ucho Tosh, Uchage, Ucho Tosh. Now let's have a look at that from the side. From here, from Hidari no Kamae. Now notice, I'm bringing this up over my left shoulder a little bit, but it's not a big back swing here. We are not coming through with a huge Ucho Tosh. We want something that's a bit quicker, a bit cleaner, less wasted movement. Here and here. Ucho Tosh, then step through, Uchage, step through again, Ucho Tosh. Moving forward on each strike. All right, let's have one more look at that. Ucho Tosh, Uchage, Ucho Tosh. All right, that's the attackers section. Now let's have a look at the defenders section. Now again, I'm going to start from Hidari no Kamae. From this position, I'm going to open up my stance a little bit, to shift my right foot across, and come up here, Jodan Morote Uke, the upward double hand block. Then I'm going to step back with my right foot, Gedan Morote Uke, the downward double hand block. Then stepping back with my left foot, Jodan Morote Uke, the upward double hand block. What we're doing here is defending against that Ucho Tosh, Uchage, Ucho Tosh series of attacks we just saw. So again, from here, Hidari no Kamae, I'm opening up, Jodan Morote Uke. Then I step back, Gedan Morote Uke, and step back again. Jodan Morote Uke. Now, something to keep in mind here, when we're working with the bow, when I move the bow, that tends to draw a lot of my attention. Looking at this, at the hands and arms and the weapon itself, not necessarily paying that much attention to what's going on down at the feet. From Hidari no Kamae, as I open my stance here slightly, get a little more power, I'm still right foot out in front. As I do that first Jodan Marote Uke block. Then I'm stepping away, left foot forward, Gedan Marote Uke, then stepping back again. Right foot forward, Jodan Marote Uke. Again, let's have a look at this from the side. I'm here, Hidari no Kamae. Jodan Marote Uke. Gedan Marote Uke. Jodan Marote Uke. All right, let's have one more look at that. Yeah, the first part of this, I'm shifting stance, I'm not stepping back. Shift. Jodan Marote Uke. Now I move away. Gedan Marote Uke, and I move away again. Jodan Marote Uke. All right, now, that gives us a look at the first section of the attack, the first section of the defense. The nice thing about Bo Kumitachi, fun thing about this one, is that this is a kata that's designed to allow you to work with it with a partner. One person is going to take the role of attacker. One person will take the role of defender. Now we'll have a look at how that works for the first section here. We're not going to try to go real fast or real hard with this yet. And we're working on getting a feeling for this, working on our distancing, working on our aim. Mr. Thompson, could I have your assistance?
Sir.
We're both going to start in Hidari no Kamae. And Mr. Thompson, let's move your way slightly. And we're just going to count through this 1, 2, 3. Mr. Thompson will do the attacks. I will do the defenses. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's go back to where we started. Let's take that again. 1, 2, 3, and once more. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's switch sides. Just have a look at this from the other side. Again, Mr. Thompson's going to attack. I will defend. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now, of course, you are aiming your strikes. As the defender, you're also aiming your blocks. I'm not just sticking this up and trusting to luck. I watch his bow and intercept very carefully. That way, I don't wind up putting my hand into where he can strike it. 1, 2, 3. Let's go through that one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Mr. Thompson.
Yes, sir.
All right, that is the first section of Bo Kumitachi, and we went through naming the skills, both on attack and on defense. And then we had a quick look at how this works with a partner. Thank you very much for joining me.